Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. So children, today we will be learning degrees of comparison. So as you all know, degrees of comparison is divided into three types. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So when do we use positive degree? When no comparison is done. For example, small, thin, big, fat. So these are the examples of positive degree. And remember, these words will be adjectives. Okay? Next, comparative. Comparative, when do we use? When we compare two persons or things. When the comparison is done between two persons or things, we use comparative degree. So what are the examples of comparative degree? As we have used in positive degree small, thin, we will be adding in the comparative degree ER to the given adjective. For suppose example small, in the comparative degree it will become smaller. And here thin, in comparative degree it will become thinner. Alright, next is superlative degree. Superlative degree, when do we use? When the comparison among more than two persons or things, we use superlative degree. Okay, and we will be adding here most or est to the given adjective. Usually you have to see the first positive degree, then only we will be adding here er to the comparative and est to the superlative degree. See here, smallest, thinnest, we have added est, right? Alright, so here are some rules. Today I will be going to explain you. So rule 1, the positive degree ends with a consonant preceded by a short vowel. The ending consonant is doubled before suffixing er or est. What do you mean by suffix here? Suffix is nothing but we have to add to the given word er or est. Suffix means baad mein, later. Okay. For example, see here big, B-I-G, big. As you can see here, there is one short vowel I, and afterwards this word is ending with a consonant letter G. So what you have to do? You have to double this consonant letter to double G, and when we are using in the comparative degree, you have to add er. Then it will become bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. And when we are comparing more than two persons or things, we have to add here est in the superlative degree. Alright. So what it will become now? Big, bigger, biggest. When do we have to use double letters? When in the word only one vowel sound, one vowel, short vowel will be there, and that word is ending with a consonant. So then only you have to double that letters. Now one more example is hot, H-O-T, hot. Now as you can see here, H-O-T, O is the short vowel here and T is the consonant. It is ending with the consonant letter. So what you have to do? You have to add double T to the given word. So it will become hotter, ER. Obviously in the comparative degree you have to add hotter. And next in the superlative degree, est you have to add. It will become hottest, hot, hotter, hottest. Understood children? This was the rule 1. And the rule 2 is the positive degree is suffixed with r or st if it ends with e. For example, wise, W-I-S-E, wise. Here this word is ending with e. Right? So what you have to do? You have to just add r in the comparative degree column and est to the superlative degree column. Wise, wiser, wisest. Alright, next, close, C-L-O-S-E, close, and this word is ending with E. So what you have to add? You have to add R to the comparative degree column and EST to the superlative degree column. Okay children, understood? Now, so here one bit is homework for you. 3 columns you have to make: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And in the comparative degree, what you have to do? Mostly the words will be ending with ER. And here in the superlative degree, mostly the words will end with est. Okay, so first is old. So here what you have to add? You have to just add er. It will become older. O-L-D-E-R, older. Next is superlative. What you have to add here? You have to add est. So it will become O-L-D-E-S-T, oldest. Old, older, oldest. In the same way, 3 words you have to write here and you have to say me. Brave, nice and fat. Already these rules I have explained you. Based on that rule I have given you the homework. Okay children, so please write down correctly. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.